Look down there.
Oh, that's not my father. It's just my reflection.
No. Look harder. Night. And the spirit of life calling. Mamela. And a voice with the fear of a child. And wait, 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 wait. There's no mountain too great. Hear these words and have faith. Oh, have faith. He lives in you. He lives in me. He wants his altar. Everything we see. Into the water. Into the truth. In your reflection. He lives in you.
Simba.
Father?
Simba, you have forgotten.
No. How could I?
You have forgotten who you are, and so have forgotten me. Look inside yourself, Simba. You are more than what you have become. You must take your place in the circle of life.
How can I go back? I'm not who I used to be.
Remember who you are. You are my son, and the one true king.
He lives in you. He lives in me. He watches over everything we see. Into the water, into the truth, in your reflection. He lives in you.
Remember who you are.
No! Wait! Don't leave me! Please! Don't leave me!
Hey, Bo! What was that? The weather. Most peculiar, hey?
Yeah, looks like the winds are changing.
Change is good.
But it's not easy. I know what I have to do, but it means facing my past. Ah! Jeez, what was that for?
It doesn't matter. It's in the past.
Yeah, but it still hurts.
Oh, yes. The past can hurt, but the way I see it is you can either run from it or learn from it. Hey, you see. So, what are you going to do now?
First, I'm gonna take that stick.
Yeah, no. Not my stick. Not my stick. Listen.